The reason I do this, because when you're turning your work around, even when your needle's down, it can shift very, very slightly, almost imperceptible. But I know it's there, so I know where exactly I need to go down to stitch in the ditch or very close to it. And my needle might not be in the right position for where I'm turning to now. So I will lift my needle, once I've turned it, I will lift my needle, check it, and then carry on. And yes, I do have a speed control on this, but I'm not used to controlling the speed by the foot pedal because I've never had a speed controller really before, and that I don't tend to use it very often. See here, just making sure that I'm now in the right place. I'm laying the patchwork pattern, show me where to quilt. I'm doing it on here because it's straight lines. I'm very rusty on free motion quilting on the sewing machine. I'm on the long arm as well at the moment, but this is what I'm doing. It's also a bit quicker on here because it's just these straight lines I'm going for. And it's all pen based, so, and I think that's bent, so I can't use it, so it needs throwing. I hope my arm isn't too much in the way, but for doing this type of work that is straight line, more or less stitching in the ditch, I need to keep both hands either side of it. I'm talking, not paying attention to what I'm doing. I need to put my hands either side of it to help stretch the fabric so the seam shows very prominent. But with doing straight lines, I'm not using the walking foot because I've got, I can't remember what it's called, but with this foot and one or two others, I pull it down and it pulls both top and bottom fabrics through. So I don't actually need a walking foot for this machine. Dual feed, I think it's called. and because I've done this before, I actually know that the way to go round it so I don't break thread at all. So you could call this straight line quilting or stitch in the ditch. Where am I? Now, there. Or knead the ditch. See that that's right now. In the middle of it, there's a lot of seams that come together, so take your time, take it slowly, and it will eventually get there. Whoops. Your needle should go through it, but this is a prime example of it not being where I need it. That's it. So, oh, you might be able to see a bit on the back, because it's just plain white, the cushion covers.